guys, welcome to another episode of the crafting show. Today we are going to make doll hangers. Let me show you what they look like first, and then I'm going to tell you how to make them. Let's get into it. So I'm going to show you how they look like. Okay, this is how they look like. These are the hangers. They look really pretty. I like the different colors because these are the colors I have, and I'm going to tell you how I made them. I'm not just going to tell you, I'm also going to show you. I made like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I made 9 and I'm going to make one more, and that one more is because I'm going to show you. So let's move all of these to the side. Let's move all of these to the side. Okay, and now all we need is like pipe cleaners. So these are pipe cleaners. If you don't know what they are, they're like metal, like wires. Then you have to roll them around and then they put fluff on it. So I'm going to tell you how to make it. So what you have to do is like use something like your fingers or something like a pencil to like roll this part. And then here we're going to make something like this curl. So curl it. You could go this way to fold it like this, but I prefer to do it this way. So let me show you. Okay, so remember, curl this part, make it a nice shape so it could actually hook up onto the Barbie dresser. It's really easy, no glue required, or you can use scissors, but I don't really care about using scissors unless I want to have like parts of it always around my room. I would not like that, but do what you prefer. You need to get that curl shape, so that's what I'm trying to do right now. It does take a little while, maybe like 2 minutes or a minute, but you have to try and form it. When you at least get that curly shape, when it's not that perfect yet, you could start wrapping it around. I left a little big loop because I'm going to wrap this around, and it's going to make a pretty big bump like this. It made a bump here, or I just wrap it around so it doesn't look that big and it looks thicker. So I'm going to do the thick method. Wrapping it around until you have no more of the pipe cleaner showing. I still have the pipe cleaner showing, so until it's no more, you could go to the next craft on what we have to do. Okay, so now it's like that. If you were going to do the method I did, you didn't have to leave that much of a space, and I did that. But if yours is like that, has a little bit short over here, you could use your finger or a pencil to like form it. Now, because this is not a nice shape, this part, you could like form it like this. I really love this one, so if you want to do it like that, do it like that. You kind of want to use a pencil or your finger and kind of form it like that. Kind of pull it again. There you go, you have your own DIY Barbie hanger. So it was really easy to make. Yeah, so now our Barbies could play with it, put it in their dresser. See, it even hooks onto their hand. when it hooks onto their hand, you know it will be able to fit. So hope you like this tutorial on how to make hangers. I'll be making many of these because it's really fun and easy. It took like about 2 minutes to make at least, or maybe 5. We were going to start call this 5-minute crafts, but it doesn't take that long. You could cut it if you want. It's really easy to make, and if you are a crafter like me, this is definitely for you. But if you have your hangers like they don't have like this, you could like glue it together. I know I said no glue, but this is only if you want to use glue. You could glue it together, or you could just roll it, but I don't want to roll mine because I've already tried doing that. And then yeah, but I think doing it the way I did before will be better for me, or maybe for you. I've already tested a dress on this. I'm not sure about boy clothes, but I'm hoping it will work. And all I have to do is form this again because kind of destroyed it. That's why I don't really want to roll mine up if I didn't really want to do it in the first place. If you don't believe me that a dress fits on it or anything fits on it, I'll show you. Crafting show members, remember when I said that I made 9 before I just made the one right now? I actually made 11, but including the one I just made right now, it's 13. So I have a lot. So this is the dress I'm using. I've already tried it out. It's really good. I really love these hangers. The way I formed them was so cute. So let's put it on like that and that. It works, but if yours kind of falls off, you could do this, yeah? And look closely. You have to go over there and over here. So it like makes a crisscross. An X. So you have to go over the one that was over here. You have to put it over the hanger and then put it there. Let's see how it looks in the dresser. Here it is, and then all you have to do is loop it up, and it actually works. Some of them won't really fit in, but mine does. Anyway guys, there you have it. Like and subscribe for more of these awesome crafts, and we will see you on the next episode. Subscribe and create something amazing.